Hi guys, our menu for today is simple chicken halang-halang, my own version. So, nilagyan ko ng espada. So, just to give it a spicy taste, a bit of a spicy flavor. And then, gata. So, this one I only bought 40 pesos worth of gata. And let it simmer. And then make sure that you have to place all the ingredients like the ginger, the mga panakot, sibuyas, dahon, of course garlic, and then yung kalamonggay towards the last part, or yung tapos ka na magluto, just to give it like a more healthy version of chicken halang-halang with all the green leafy vegetables. So yun lang, my first simple dish, chicken halang-halang. Thank you, bye!